Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sushma Ayar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. I'm here to discuss about the methods of costing. I'm going to discuss here one of the methods of costing, that is process costing. Here, the manufacturing sectors are going to implement different methods of costing. We are here to discuss about the process costing. The raw material which passes through the several distant state process or stages of manufacturing is a predetermined sequence. Each such stage of manufacturing is called as a process. The goods produced are identical and all factory processes are standardized. Method of costing is ascertained in this industries is known as process costing. What are the industries which these process costing is implemented means here we can discuss, that is textile industry, oil refining industry, sugar manufacturing industry, chemical industry, cement industry, paper industry, food manufacturing industry or food processing industry, steel industry, soap manufacturing industry, bakeries, etc. These industries will going to follow the process costing. Let's discuss the main features of this process costing. First one is nothing but the production is continuous and final product is the result of the sequence of process. The production is continuous means here the production will never end from one process to another process. Okay, so it is a large concerns will going to follow this process costing. Here the costs are accumulated by the process. For each and every process they want to maintain a separate account and they want to calculate the cost for each and every process. The products are standardized and homogeneous. Here the products are standardized, they're going to maintain the products as a standardized products. Okay. The cost per unit produced in the average cost, which is calculated by the dividing the total cost which has incurred for that particular process divided by number of units produced from that particular process. Okay, the finished product of each process is the last process, or the process, each and every process output will become the next process input until you are going to get the finished product. See here, for example, process A output will become the process B input. For example, if it is in a sugar manufacturing industry, the main raw material of the sugar manufacturing industry is sugarcane. So sugarcane is the raw material. The sugarcane is sent for the crushing process. The input for the crushing process is sugarcane and the output is sugarcane juice. The sugarcane is the output that will become the input for the next process. That might be the boiling process. Okay. See, here the raw material is sugarcane and the output is sugarcane juice. The output will, whatever the output of the one process will become the input for the next process until you are going to get the final product. Okay. Then we can discuss about the some of the sequences of operating our process is a specific and predetermined. Here they are going to incur the materials normal loss is there, abnormal loss is there and abnormal gain is there. Let's discuss what is the normal loss. The normal loss is the loss which is expected loss. The normal loss is the loss which is expected loss. Means you are expecting, you are thinking that you are assuming that the certain units or certain kgs or certain tons might be loss while manufacturing the product in that particular process. That is called as normal loss. When it comes to abnormal loss, what you have expected, the loss, more than that loss is called as abnormal loss. For example, you can go with this also. What you are going to expect means actual loss of the material might be of kg, but actual loss is 1 kg. You are expected how many kgs? Half kgs, but actual loss is 1 kg. So half kg is more than what you have expected. So more than the normal loss or expected loss is called as abnormal loss. let's discuss about the abnormal gain. The abnormal gain means the loss which is incurred less than the normal loss. The loss which is less than the normal loss or expected loss, that is called as abnormal gain. While preparing the process account, if it is in a debit balance, then it is called as abnormal gain. If it is in a credit balance available in the units column, then it is called as abnormal loss. Okay, while solving the problem, we can discuss how the abnormal loss will going to appear and how the abnormal gain will going to appear. Okay, and process of the raw material may give rise to the other products, that is called as byproducts, okay, and joint products. Let's discuss the joint products and byproducts in the later videos. Okay, thank you.